Synology Drive's file request feature, getting files from others is easy. Share an upload link with anyone, and they can send files without a Synology account. Their uploads are saved directly to your NAS, keeping everything secure and centralized. In this video, we will show you how to enable file request, create a file request link, how external users upload files via the request link, and how to manage existing file requests. You can find the timestamps for each section in the video description. Before you start, make sure your system meets the following version requirements. The file request feature requires advanced features to be activated first. If you haven't turned this on yet, open Synology Drive Admin Console. Go to Advanced Features and click Activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. If advanced features are already activated, open Synology Drive Admin Console, go to Settings, Sharing, and scroll down to the File Request Settings for Non-Admin User section. Here, you can enable the file request feature and configure specific rules. For example, you can allow only certain users to create requests, enforce security settings such as passwords or expiration dates, or allow file request links to be sent via email. When you're done, click Apply. After enabling the feature, go to Synology Drive web portal to create a file request. There are two ways to create a request. You can right-click a folder where you want the files to be collected and select Request Files. Or go to the File Request tab, then click Create File Request. In the window that appears, enter a title and an optional description so uploaders know what they should provide. Confirm the destination folder or switch to a different one. Choose how the uploaders will be identified. Next, set a password or expiration date. Click Create. You can now copy the upload link or send it directly by email. You'll receive an email notification every time a file is uploaded. For this tutorial, we have sent an external user a file request link via email. When the recipient opens the link, they can input the password, then upload files to your selected folder. They can select files, preview them, enter their name, and click Upload. For security reasons, uploaders cannot view, delete, or download files uploaded by others. Once the recipient uploads the files, you will receive an email notification. You can see the uploaded files in the File Request destination folder. To manage or view your previous requests, go to the File Request tab. Right-click the request and select Edit. You can change the expiration date, the destination folder, or close or delete the request. A request shows an inactive status when it's closed manually or when it reaches its expiration date. If the destination folder is deleted or you lose access permissions, the request will show an error status. To learn more about Synology Drive, subscribe to the Synology YouTube channel and click the videos here to keep watching.